The Texas law did two things. One, it would require that any facility performing abortions meet the standards of a surgical center. And two, it required that any doctor performing abortions have admitting privileges at a nearby hospital. Those two provisions were challenged by providers of abortion care who argued ultimately successfully that neither were necessary to protect women's health. Justice Scalia's absence could have radically affected this decision had the court divided 4-4. All eyes were on Justice Kennedy because we didn't know what he was going to do. Justice Kennedy has historically been the swing vote on this issue. Had he gone the other way, we would have been left with a 4-4 decision. And with a 4-4 decision, that means the decision of the lower court stands, which means this case would have come out radically differently. When you look at his track record on abortion decisions, he generally has come out in favor of reproductive rights, but in the most recent case before the court, Gonzalez versus Carhart, he actually went the other way. So folks weren't sure what Justice Kennedy was going to do. Ultimately, he came down on the side of upholding Planned Parenthood versus Casey and striking down the law. So this case really is the most significant abortion case in at least a generation. The last time the court squarely ruled on these issues was in 1992 in Planned Parenthood versus Casey. And many people saw this case as a referendum on Casey and questioned whether the court would continue to protect abortion access. And today, the court did. Absolutely will. Obviously, the vacancy on the Supreme Court is playing a role in the election. Whoever our next president is has a lot of power over filling that vacancy, and this will quite surely be part of that litmus test for the next judicial nominee. I think the court's opinion was strong. It was grounded in facts and science. It was grounded in realistic determinations about the impact on women's health. It looked closely at the judicial record of the courts below, and it looked closely on the real-world impact on women's lives. And for those reasons, it was a very strong decision.